Okay, next thing to be repaired today is this window candle. It's mysteriously ceased to operate, and I believe there's something wrong with the battery connection terminals, because that one down there in the bottom, oh, if you see that or not. Whoa. That last terminal on the bottom there looks like it's higher up than it should be, and that could potentially be creating a short. So I'm going to see if I can open this up and see if we can move the terminals around a bit, or at least back to where they're supposed to be. And apparently it's going to be a little bit harder than I thought to find a screwdriver. Let's try this one. Nope. Got this one. Nope. Alright, when all else fails, go to my iFixit kit, which has just about every type of screw I've ever encountered. This thing, I bought this to fix computers, but I ended up using it to fix just about everything. This is a fantastic set. I would definitely recommend getting one. Okay, so that did exactly what I wanted it to, and apparently the problem is not the battery contacts, but given there's a mysterious black wire floating around in there, that's more likely going to be the problem. So, oh boy, here we go again with the solder iron. I almost put this thing away, but I guess would have been a waste of time. Before I do that, I'm going to have to figure out exactly where that wire is supposed to go. I know that blows out the video, but I need to have the light on so I can see. Alright, let's see, where would that go? Looks like it would go over here. So, I'm going to throw some batteries in this. Actually, you know what? Let's see, I don't want this to get all scratched up here. Okay, I'm going to throw some batteries in here. And let's switch this to on. Although, where's the, I could have sworn there was a thing that said on or off. It's on the battery cover. On. Now let's see if I can get that wire out of there. And that's doing it. So all I have to do is just put this wire back onto there. It does look like that kind of pushed in a little bit. So I am going to try to pull that out, because I don't think that's exactly as it should be. Yeah, there we go. That's how it's supposed to be. Okay, that's much better. So bend that over. This should be a very easy repair. Let's see if the iron is ready. No, not quite yet. I'm probably the only person that checks if their soldering iron is ready via an infrared thermometer, but whatever. It works very well. Alright, so I'll pause the video and let this warm up for a few minutes, and I'll be back. And we're back. Okay, the soldering iron is up to temperature, so that will be working now. And this should be fairly simple, so I'll switch the fan on and we'll get started. Okay. Alright. That was easy. That's the original joint, which is pretty poorly done. That's the new one. And let's give it a test. I can't imagine it didn't fix it, but you never know with these Chinese things. Okay, that's working good. So let's go ahead and put this thing back together. And we're getting some water in here, so I'm going to close the fan vent here. Okay. Okay. I was very surprised that it broke, because there's really no there's no flex inside this this thing, so I don't know why that would have broken like that. Very odd, but anyways, at least it's working now, and that was an easy fix. It's gonna be fun getting these wires back in there. All right. Yeah, one of the 3 screws is stripped. I'm not surprised. Kind of figured they all would be. Okay. There you have it. It was fixed, and not quite sure how it broke, but it's good to go now. So thank you for watching. Hopefully somebody found that interesting. Leave a constructive comment if you have one, and subscribe for more videos. Out.